Alright guys, so today we're in a 2016 BMW M4, as most of y'all can tell. Thanks to my buddy Ethan, we're able to drive this today, and I'm able to show you guys what it's like to drive a M4. So Ethan, as y'all can see right here, he's done the Alcantara wheel. Nice in a sex. I don't know if you can see that bone stock. That's honestly rare. But Ethan did the Alcantara steering wheel. He's got the stitching right here, you know, the red trim, which is a really nice touch in my opinion. But that's not the only thing he's done to this car. He's on KW coilovers. I think they're the V2s. So they got some really good performance in them. Sheesh. She's quick. She is quick. And the DCT in this car is pretty good. In terms of, you know, it's very smooth, linear. Compared to the E92 M3, I would say this DCT is a little bit better. Even though it might be pretty, you know, similar, I still would think that this is a little bit better. So, he's also done VRSF catless downpipes, boot mode, which is, you know, essential for the F chassis and the platform in general, especially for the S55, in my opinion. But he has a whole Akrapovic catback exhaust. Yeah, guys, there's no black bars anymore. I'm pumped. Thanks to Jack, he freaking fixed, the resolution was wrong. My bad. Probably like sitting on the porch like, what the hell was that? Alright, getting a little squirrely. It's like, I could daily this, but I couldn't keep my foot out of it because like you just... M2, so this car, basically there's different presets. So there's M1 and then there's M2. M1's basically M mode, Many of y'all are probably familiar with that. And then there's M2, which is ludicrous. Like, it's just crazy, the amount of feedback you get from the car. The throttle response is a little touchy. It takes a little bit to get used to. It's not the easiest thing in the world to get familiar with, but you know, after a while you get used to it. But turns traction control off. Shit. Dude, you just... God. Back to M1. A little scared. Not gonna lie. We got a biker gang out here. This is a lot of car for what you pay, and I think everyone that, you know, may not even like BMW, but would still love this car simply because it's good all around. It's just, it does everything that you want it to. You know, it's responsive. It's fast. Woo! Shoot, that was like a... I think that's gonna wrap up this video, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed everything that you just saw. I sure as hell did. If you want to see more, drop a like. I'll be glad to do more, POVs especially. And if you have any recommendations, just drop a comment. And or if you have a car that you want me to do a POV drive on, I'll be glad to do it. Just send me a DM on Instagram at f32_Matt. Enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.